welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a brand new Meijer must-do deals video for you. This starts on Sunday, August 21st. We'll go through the 27th of 2022. And there's a really great sale. It's kind of similar to the Kroger Mega Sale if you're familiar with that, but it's a buy 5, save 5. And I'll explain it a little bit more as we get into it, but there's some pretty good deals that are happening with that particular sale too. So do me a huge favor, if you like to see Meijer videos and you want to see more of them, do me a big favor and hit that thumbs up button right now. Make sure you're already subscribed to the channel. If you're not, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell and hit all so you don't miss any of the Meijer videos that I put out. And then leave me a comment below. Tell me where you're from. Tell me if you like these buy 5 sales, anything like that. Just leave me a little comment below. Help get this thing pushed out by YouTube so we get more Meijer people in, so that way I can keep doing these videos for you. All right, so we're going to jump right in and see what is happening at Meijer this week. So first, if you have not been to your Meijer, you may want to head over there. There is lots going on with clearance. Now, my particular store, I live in Florence, Kentucky, which is like northern Kentucky. It's like Kentucky side of Cincinnati, if that makes sense, if you're not familiar with the area. But I live right there, and our Meijer store is getting a remodel. So it's like everything in the store is on clearance. I kid you not. It is crazy how much clearance is going on there. But there is an additional 30% off to 50% off going on for summer clearance. On top of that, it looks like we have an extra 40% off of clearance in electronics and 20% off of TVs and soundbars. So this is a really, really great time to head to the store, see if you can grab anything for next year possibly, or possibly just great deals. I know I've picked up a ton. If you followed me for any length of time, you know I do Santa Shop for my kids' school. I am the chair of Santa Shop. I was PTA president last year. I've stepped down, but I am still continuing on with the Santa Shop as chair. And so I am always looking for great deals to go in the Santa Shop. We love to offer really high quality things for super cheap prices. And we've already picked up a ton at Meijer the last couple of weeks. So definitely go check it out and see if there's anything that you might be interested in. All right, let's talk about some deals, starting with a really great one, the Vaseline Lotion 10 ounce. Now, these are regularly priced $3.69. There is a digital coupon. Now, I know it does specifically say for the 20.3 ounce. However, it is attaching to your 10 ounce bottles. You can check it out for yourself. But it is going to be just 69 cents after you purchase one. It will come off at checkout, so no worries there. They may find it later on in the week and take it off. If that is the case, then you may not get this deal. So depending on when you're watching this, all you have to do is go into your app, search up Vaseline Lotion, click on the 10 ounce bottle, and it will show you if it's attaching or not, just like this picture is here. If it is, you're good to go for 69 cents. Next deal is the Limi Shine Cleaner. This is regularly priced $3.65. We have a 2 off 1 M-Perk. Use that M-Perk and you're going to get this for just $1.65. I thought that was a pretty decent deal for some, disinfecting cleaners. Next deal here is the Tasty Bites entree. Now, if you just want to grab one of them, you definitely could do that. They are regularly priced $3.49, no sale price. Ibotta has a rebate for $3.24 back, so it would just be basically 25 cents for one of these if you just want to do one. However, if you want to do 2 and use an M-Perk, it's a pretty decent deal. So grab 2 of the Tasty Bite entrees, regularly priced $3.49. Use the 2 off 2 M-Perk. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $5.98. Submit to Ibotta for that $3.24 back on one. Final cost ends up being $2.74 total, or $1.37 each. Like I said, if you just want to do one, you can get them for just 25 cents, and that's still a really great deal. I also recommend, if you do have a Kroger, do this deal at Kroger right now. They have a sale price that is less than the rebate, and so it's actually freebie and a moneymaker. So that's my recommendation. But if you are just a Meijer person, you don't have a Kroger, not a bad deal either way. All right, I feel like tampons in general have been hard to find, and good deals, I should say, have been hard to find. There seems to be a bit of a shortage on tampons too. Anyway, this is just the new thing that's happening, but Playtex Clean Comfort 30 count is regularly priced $7.89. No sale price, but we do have a 2 off 1 M-Perk. Out of pocket, pay $5.89, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. Is limit of 3 times. Final cost ends up being $3.89. You know, I really do like to purchase like feminine care products when they're like under $1 to free or moneymaker. But because right now there is a big shortage on Playtex, or not Playtex, I should say tampons in general, this isn't a terrible deal. All right, we have a deal on Sargento block cheese. Now, this is regularly priced $3.79. That's what you'll pay out of pocket, but Fetch, go check your Fetch and see if you have this, has 50% back. So it doesn't really matter what you spend, even if it was on sale. It's only going to give you 50% back, but it's going to make the final price just basically $1.90 for a block of cheese, which is not a bad price there. Just Crack an Egg Omelet is regularly priced $3.19. It's on sale for $2.99. We do not have any kind of in-perk or coupon, but out of pocket, you'll pay that $2.99. You can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's limited to 5 times, and your final cost ends up being $1.99 each. Now, I am excited because I needed one more Just Crack an Egg rebate in order to get the bonus, which I think is $1. So I'm going to definitely do one of these and basically get $2 back, and it'll be 99 cents. But obviously, if you're not close to that bonus or you've already hit the bonus, $1.99 would be what you would pay. Next deal we have here is the Ocean Sprays Frutas. I think that's how you say it. Frescas. I don't know. 64-ounce bottles of juice. You want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $3.29, but they're going to be just $3 each when you buy 2 of them in the same transaction. So out of pocket, you are paying $6, but then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on one. It's limited 3 times. So you'll get $3 back, making the final cost $3 total, or just $1.50 each. And honestly, with prices going up, normally, you know, you could find like a Meijer brand or a Kroger brand or something like that for a little bit cheaper, but I know like the Kroger brand is $1.79. So the $1.50, great price on some juice here. Next deal, and I think this is a pretty sweet deal, is the BioSteel sports drinks. Now, these are regularly priced $1.99, but they're on sale this week for $1.67 each when you buy 3, or basically 3 for $5. So you want to make sure you grab 3 of those. Out of pocket, you will pay $5, but then when you submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, it's limited to 5 times. You're going to get $3 back, making the final cost $2 total, or 67 cents each, which I thought was a really, really great deal here. I've actually never tried these, so let me know in the comments what you think of these particular sports drinks. Are they any good? I haven't looked at the carb count. You know, I try to stay low carb, so let me know in the comments what you think of these. Brawny paper towels, the 4 double roll this week is regularly priced $8.99. We do not have a sale price, unfortunately, but you can use the $1 off one in perk. Pay $7.99, submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on one. It's limited to 5 times, and final cost ends up being $6.49. Not a bad price there for some paper towels. All right, let's jump into the buy 5, save 5. I always want to call it a mega sale, but it's actually not a mega sale, but it's very similar. The only difference between Meijer and Kroger, so Kroger switched over about, 2 years ago now, where instead of being you had to buy multiples of 5, it's just now 5 or more. Now Meijer has not done that, so you do have to buy in multiples of 5. So if you get 6 items, only 5 of them are going to have the $1 off. That 6th item will not. So you want to make sure you buy 5, 10, 15, 20. It's a little bit of a pain. It's a little harder to do. I'm really glad Kroger switched over to the other way. It makes it super easy. But we've got some good deals, and I've got a couple of ones that are kind of like filler items. If you get to like 4 items or something like that, you need one more item to hit the 5th, you might want to grab them. So let's check these out. First one is the Fairlife Ultra Filtered Plain Yogurt 24-ounce. These are regularly priced $4.99, on sale for $3.99, but part of the buy 5 for $2.99 each. That's what you'll pay out of pocket, but then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on one. It's limited 1 time. Final cost ends up being 49 cents. And again, if you're not familiar with Meijer, you want to make sure that you grab one of these and then you mix and match the other 4 items you need to get to that buy 5, okay? You do not have to buy 5 of these. I think I should have said that in the last slide, but that's okay. If you like the flavored yogurts, another deal very similar for the Fairlife Ultra Filtered Flavor Yogurt, regularly priced $4.99, on sale for $3.99, buy 5 for $2.99, pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a separate rebate for $2.50 back on one. It's a limit of 1 time as well. Final cost ends up being 49 cents. So either way, or grab one of each of them, it's a great deal. 49 cents for a huge tub of yogurt. That's a win. All right, some dip here, and it's going to be really good, right? These are regularly priced $2.29. They're on sale for $1.99 this week, and they're part of the buy five, so that makes them just 99 cents each, and that's your final cost. And so this is one of those filler items I like to throw in there. So if you get really close to hitting that 5 or that 10 mark and you need like one more item and you're like, what can I grab? You could grab this particular item to kind of fill it out, or just, grab it because you actually want it. It's a great deal for 99 cents. All right, General Mills cereals. This is a really sweet deal. I don't know how much longer Ibotta is going to last. In my account, it's only one day. It's expiring tomorrow, which is Monday. So definitely check your Ibotta to see if it's still available. Sometimes it'll expire and then it comes back. So you never know. But anyway, General Mills cereals are regularly priced $3.69. They're on sale for $3.29, and they're part of the buy five for $2.29 each. There is a dollar off 2 in perk. Make sure that's loaded. So if you grab 2 of them, you're going to pay out of pocket $1.79 each. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It is limited 5 times, so then it'll be $1.29 each. At that point, you want to also make sure that you submit to Fetch. I know Fetch has a threshold one, so if you hit like $25, $35, something like that, you're going to get money back. Coupons.com app also has a threshold. They also have a dollar off 2 coupon too, so if you needed to submit for that. And then you need to make sure you're submitting to your Box Top app. Box Tops will give you back 10 cents per General Mills cereal, and there is a Meijer deal. I'll show it to you on the next couple of slides here if you buy so many in the same transaction. But make sure you're submitting when you purchase this product to all 3 of these outside of Ibotta, and you may or may not get more back. I also thought this was a pretty good filler item, the Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. These are regularly priced $2.49, on sale for $2.29, part of the buy five for $1.29. Now, we don't currently have any coupons to pair up with it that are good for like everybody. I personally do have some dollar off 2 coupons for this. I got them through a doctor's office, and they were good for till 2023 or something. So I have a whole bunch of them that I grabbed. So it'll be like 79 cents for me, which would be a great deal. So if you happen to have any kind of like coupons you pulled off of other products or something like that, you may be able to get these for a little bit cheaper. But $1.29 I thought was a pretty decent deal and would make a pretty good filler item as well. I have not been to this store, and I was trying to figure out if the Lysol wipes were included. If you know, please put it in the comments below. If so, we have coupons for the wipes, and then we also have an Ibotta rebate for the wipes as well. So it could be a really, really good deal on the wipes if they're included in the mega sale, in the buy 5, save 5 sale. As you can see, I do a lot of Kroger talking, so it's kind of hard to get off that. So if you do know that they're participating, let me know. I'm going to try to head to the store sometime today or tomorrow to double check myself. But if you happen to know, go ahead and throw in the comments below. That way other people can take advantage of this if I haven't told them yet. Now, I wanted to tell you about this. Currently, there is a promotion going on through Box Tops at Meijer only. When you buy 5 participating products, you're going to earn an extra $4 for your particular school. I have done this at Kroger. I think at Kroger it's by 4. I could be wrong, but I think it's by 4. I have done it at Kroger, so it's a pretty awesome deal. I've been really racking up a lot of extra money for my kids' school here recently. If there's also a referral code, if you are not signed up for Box Tops, go to the description box below and use my referral code. What you do with that, what happens is when you sign up with the referral code and you submit your first receipt, it's going to give automatic $2 to your school and then $2 to my school. So it's a win-win situation. It's not going to me personally. It's just going to the schools we've indicated that we want to see receive that money. But buy 5, earn 40 Box Tops or $4 extra. So that's so on top of earning them 50 cents, you're actually going to earn them $4.50 because you're going to get that $4 bonus. So really cool there if you're going to be, if your Lysol is part of the Box Tops as well as the General Mills. So you could end up putting something pretty awesome together there. One other sale that's going on that I think everybody should know about, I'm kind of excited about this sale because I've got some kiddos that are needing some shoes. But the Athletics or Skechers footwear for the family is buy one, get one of equal or lesser value for $1. Just know whichever one is the cheaper one is going to be the dollar one. So if you buy an adult pair of shoes for like $45 and a kid's pair of shoes that's 10, the 10 is going to be $1. Now I might be exaggerating a little bit there. It might be like 20. Anyway, you want to make sure that they're similar. So like my husband and I might want to buy shoes together and get one of ours cheaper for $1. My teenagers, I may want to buy their shoes at the same time and so forth. But either way, it's a really, really great deal. And sometimes you know, maybe if it's a good shoe, buy 2 of them if you know your kid's not going to grow that much or grow like a size up or something like that. So that way you don't have to shop later. I think that's a great deal. So for, if nothing else, if you don't need 2 pairs of shoes at this particular time, buy the size that your kid's currently in and buy the size that they're going to be growing into for $1. That's a great deal there. And then you have shoes to last for a while and you don't have to go to the store out of need. It just would be the next time you want to grab a deal. So yeah, great deal there. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. If you want to keep seeing Meijer, like I said, leave me a comment below, share this with a friend. I know I say this all the time. I want to keep doing Meijer because I really do love it, but I want to make sure that people are watching it. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.